Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of fun on the farm today. All the farm animals that you see today are made by Schleich, one of my favorite toy companies. Can you tell me how many donkeys in today's video? They're near the end. One of the lambs decides to try and escape. They're after those lovely yellow flowers. Luckily, Amber, our farm dog, barks and alerts Sarah. First of all, we have a fence for the cattle, and I can hear music in the distance. And here's the calf again. It's time to feed the adult cattle. Matt brings in some hay. Black bull. A Texas longhorn cow. And the Texas Longhorn Bull. I think Schleich has done a great job on the Texas Longhorns. I'm going to build a pond next. Mallard duck, swimming duck, swan with cygnets, and a white goose. A new fence arrives for the sheep. Some kittens and a cat, merino sheep, a black sheep, Shropshire sheep, and 2 lambs. The 2 Sarahs always love the baby animals. Time for a hug. Kittens. The mother cat. The 2 Sarahs have poured some milk and given them some cat biscuits. It's time to feed the adult sheep. Next up, we have horses and donkeys. The adult donkey, a Mustang horse, a Mustang stallion, the baby donkey, and of course the Mustang foal. These donkeys are beautiful animals, very strong, and you can see the cross on their back. The little foal has one ear up and one ear down. David the farmer is feeding the Mustangs and the donkey. Meanwhile, the two Sarahs are feeding the foals. And now for some chickens and roosters. Oh, we've got trouble. The little lamb is trying to escape. It spotted some lovely yellow flowers. Luckily, Amber, our Saint Bernard, has come up and she's barking for Sarah. Sarah knows what to do. David the farmer picks up the lamb and returns it to the pen. He makes sure the gate is shut. Another fun day at the farm with lots of visitors. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.